Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the exclusive deal code, okay? If you're a new app user, you have the opportunity of getting some of your items on exclusive deal. All you need to do is to type in this code in your Temu app search bar. ACY 077290. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on the search icon and you're going to be having a lot of products on the exclusive deal. So after you punch in the code ACY 077290, you're going to be brought to a page where you have really good deals, just like the name says, exclusive deals. Okay, I have a chance to pick something, get a gift at €0 here. I can click on that if I want that, or just go through the amazing deals that are in front of me here. Okay, of course, I have to choose what I want from this page I'm being shown. Do not click out, and I can get anything I want under this exclusive deals section. You can also go ahead and search whatever it is you want. This can go for new app users and of course existing users. Okay, everybody gets to benefit from Temu. Go ahead, use the code, search for whatever it is you want and place your order. Remember, you need to place your order within 24 hours, else it's going to expire and you just have to do it again. But I would advise that you do it once you are ready. Okay, especially if you're a new app user. An existing user gets to do it whenever they want to, but if you're a new app user and you want to increase your chances of getting even more better deals, immediately you download the app and you're ready to order, use it. Okay, when you're ready to download the Temu app, download the Temu app and just use this code straight away. You don't need to waste any time. Okay, so you don't get to miss this wonderful deal. All right, hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.